I've been locking up the birds and making them stay in their coops a little extra long since we've been freezing overnight. So let's go let out all the birdies. Look at Miss HB. Oh my goodness, girlfriend, you're so cute. Oh, you look mean this morning. Woo! Oh, okay, Mr. Napoleon. Quite the entrance. We got the Seramas coming out for I was a little nervous because it was like 21 degrees outside, but Mama and her little babies all did just fine. And now we're finally warming up a little bit. Hi, little birdies. I'm starting to think we got more roosters in here. Like that one's kind of looking roosterish. I don't know why they're drinking the wood. That one's kind of got a comb too. If I end up with 3 roosters, I'm gonna be ticked. And we got this mama and her little baby. Even the naked neck was able to keep her little baby naked neck warm. And lastly, I'm putting away the couple of stragglers that I have to put up at night during the freeze because they can't stay out. And he's got a lot to say. Tell him good morning. Oh, that was my eye. With your wings, sir. Bye, y'all.